1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It's the 10 crack commandments. Why?
YouTube. Never fear, Logan J's here. Back with another sneaker review. Well, today we're doing an unboxing, as I did a couple of reviews earlier today and went to the park really quick, got home, and another package. This one's from Adidas and got delivered by FedEx. And so let's get into it. Ordered these on Saturday, and today is Tuesday, March 15th. So Adidas with their quick shipping, still, less than a week. I'm opening it up from the bottom. Here we go. 350 full tag right here. Yeezy Boost 350 V2 core black, core white, core black, style code BY1604. Had these in 2016 and ended up selling them, and they came back. Believe this time they have the end plastic waste material on them, as the Dazzling Blues did. Oh no, they do not. It's not. I thought this tag here would have that. That's a regular tissue paper. There's no sticker here. So, and here they are. Woohoo! Back again in the collection. Here we go. You got your translucent black outsole, smoked out almost. You got your boost peeking through. Adidas trifold logo branding there, and your boost towards the heel. You got your famous midsole, known by the V2. You got your prime knit core black and core white upper. Looks like a tan. Man, the thing looks very jaggedy. Does not look smooth. I don't like this one. But this is the version. I don't know. I remember it was like this when I got it the last time, but I don't know. It just looks a lot cleaner with the dazzling blue striped the way it's done. And then you have, your beluga pattern, right there, as you can see. You got your core white peppered in throughout the upper. You got your rope laces. No infinity lacing here. You have your black insole and your core white Adidas trifold logo and Yeezy branding there. Your heel area is reflective 3 stripes. Supply 350. Hit on these on Adidas, confirm. Count is hot right now. Thank you, Adidas, once again. Whoo, baby. Yes, sir. Does not have the pull tab in the back. They removed it, as the OGs did. From the V1 to the V2, he felt like he needed to remove it. Then he added it, and then he removed it again. Then he added it, and it was back and forth. And some of them have the infinity, some don't. So, he likes to play with the upper. So, and we got many variations. I don't even know, some of them, I think they're like a V5 or whatever, with the variations different prime knit uppers and everything. So reflectives. So, but yeah, love the padded heel area here, in the sock liner area. So yeah, just another fire classic V2 OG colorway. I believe, was it 2 other colorways? It was like a green and the solar red. Don't know if those are going to be releasing. It is trending because last year he did like all the Wave Runner color blocks. So I'm guessing he might even add another one to it. So we got 2. Still need 2 more to get to finish out the original pack. So, but yeah. Really quick, I want to show you, if you don't see what I'm talking about. 1 second. So yeah, this is the more cleaner line, and this is the jagged line one, as you can see. Of course, this is more of the OG, but I actually like this one, as this one is like the beluga. So you can see where the stripe goes down. It goes down more towards the bottom of the toe box, or the front of the toe box here, while this one goes like towards the middle. So I don't know, I like this cleaner look on the dazzling blue. That's the only thing I don't like. If it could just stay a little cleaner with the line, but it is what it is. This is what he did. So he kept it true on the OG. And what is the production date on these? You got 12/21. This pair is 306. And this one is 369. So these are in the 300. So they made at least 300 pairs of the size 11.5. So, but if you take in, you got Yeezy supply, figure there's probably like 1,000 pairs of this size, worldwide. So that goes to show you the full size run of all the pairs. I don't know. Yeezy Mafia stopped supplying with the numbers of how many pairs were in stock and stuff. I don't know if he emails that out and people just don't share it or whatever, or he just there's no need to be sharing the stock quantities and whatnot. But there's people out there that scan their website and they know how much stock is on there, but they know the numbers beforehand as production. But yeah, YouTube, just wanted to bring you this quick look. Even the heel's a little different there, as you can see. This is more of a point. This one just like fades out. And I'll show you both insoles so you can see that they don't have it. They don't have that the end plastic waste logo there. So this does not, these do not have that. These are all 100% prime knit. So YouTube, hope you enjoyed the review. It's your boy Logan J. Oh, really quick, I'm gonna bring back a older video, so just be on the lookout for that one. It involves a sneaker. So it's your boy Logan J, and I'm signing out.